Hello guys, today we are going to solve INMO problem 2005, problem number 6. INMO means Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, and the question said that find all the functions which satisfy the given functional equation which was in three variables x, y and z respectively, or just x, y, z. The functional equation was f of x square plus y times f of z equals to x fx plus z times f of y, and the function mapped from all real to real for all xy belonging to real. Before starting the solution, please subscribe to my channel, like, share the video if you like the solution, and comment if your valuable suggestions to my solution and your solutions. Let's start our solution without any wasting time. So let's start. The first step which I took while solving this question was obviously for some shortening this equation. So first step which I took was plugging y equals to z equals to 0 so that my functional equation will remain in just one variable, that will be x. So let's substitute y equals to z equals to 0. Then what I will get is f of x square equals to, this will turn out to be 0, and this is x times fx. Let's call this 1. Let's call this equation number 2. Now in the second step what I did was I substituted y equals to z equals to x, all the variables that y and z in terms of x, just I wrote and equated with it with x. What I got, f of x square plus x times f of x equals to x f of x plus x f of x, or simply 2 times x f of x. So I can write it as f of x square plus, because x fx is nothing but f of x square, so I can write fx square equals to 2x fx. So let's call this equation number 3. Now in equation 1 and equation 3 we can observe something. In the LHS part, this here we have got this part, and here we have got this. If I make some substitution in this part in order to make equal to this, such that I can equate the RHS side, because there is no double function there. So my idea was there to equate the RHS sides, and I thought of for some substitution through which I can make the LHS sides equal. For that I thought that if I substitute y equals to 1, let's write here as well. If I substitute y equals to 1 and z equals to x square, then I am done. In 1, then I am done. Then f of x square plus y is 1, so no need to write, and f of x square. Then here x f x as it is plus x square f of 1. Let's call this equation of from 4. Then from 3 and 4 we can easily write that 2x fx equals to x fx plus x square f of 1. So we can write x fx equals to x square f of n. Then we can clearly write fx equals to x times f of 1, or we can simply say that fx equals to some c times x for all x belongs to R. So we can say that it is a linear type, but first of all we have to find the value of c to say something about a function. So let's find the value of c. To find the value of c, let's use this function in the given functional equation, then we are done. Let's use it. Here I will write f of x square plus y times cz. So I can write c times yz equals, this can be also written as c times x square plus cyz. And from this side what I will get, cx square, because fx will be cx square, and here I will get plus czy. So I can rewrite it cx square plus c square yz equals to cx square plus czy. This will be subtracted, then I can get c square minus c yz equals to 0, or else c equals to 0 or 1, any one of them or either of them. So I have got two values of c, 0 and 1. So we have got two functions, that is fx equals to, if I take c equals to 0 for c equals to 0, then fx equals to 0 for all x belongs to R. For the case when c equals to 1, then fx is a linear function, that is f of x equals to x for all x belongs to R. So we have got two functions. One is a constant function, and the value of function is fx equals to 0 for all x belonging to real. And the second function is a linear function because it is depending on the proportional to x. So we can say that fx is linear, and it is fx equals to x for all x belongs to real. So this was my solution for this question. Hope you enjoyed the video and like the solution. If you like the solution, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.